Hey everybody, I'm Chef Tom with atbbq.com, and today we're making a balsamic reduction. This is a super basic cooking skill, which means that any of us can do it at any time, and we should be doing this because balsamic is a fantastic ingredient to use in so many different ways. You can use it in salad dressings, you can reduce it down like we're gonna do today and serve it over your meats, grilled or otherwise, or even veggies. There's tons of ways to use this stuff. We're using the Texas Olive Ranch Red Balsamic. This stuff is absolutely delicious. I can drink it straight out of the bottle. I'm gonna pop that cap off because it'll take forever to pour out if not. So the whole goal here is to reduce this down to kind of a syrupy consistency. This is about 1 cup of balsamic. We're gonna start out over medium-high heat, bring it to a simmer, drop it down to a low heat, and just let it sit for about 15 minutes. Hit that simmer, so I'm gonna turn this down, medium-low heat, and then we'll just let it keep reducing, stirring every once in a while to make sure that nothing's scorching on the bottom. So you can see how these bubbles are getting bigger and bigger, and as I draw my spatula through here, it just slowly fills in behind it. So this is a syrupy consistency that we're going for. We're gonna shut this off. Really cool consistency, nice and syrupy. Let's get a little taste of it. So much flavor. It's fruity first, then you notice the vinegar. It's concentrated, and it's that texture that's really cool about it once it's cooked down. This is great to drizzle over your pork, to drizzle over your chicken or your salmon, or even your Brussels sprouts or broccoli, whatever it may be. So many uses for this, and this is really basic. Obviously, this is one ingredient. There's so many places you can go from here to make this more interesting. For example, in the next video that you guys see from us, we're doing blackberry balsamic reduction on a ham and brie grilled cheese. So check that out too. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to check out atbbq.com for all the products featured in today's video. If you enjoy the recipe, hit that subscribe button. If you have any questions or comments, or there's anything you'd like to see me cook, let me know in the comment section down below, and let's be good to one another. For more recipes, tips, and techniques, head over to atbbq.com/thesauce. All things barbecue, where barbecue legends are made.